So today we're here on top of San Antonio Mountain, also known as Mt.Baldy, because when you're up here there's pretty much no trees. I'm here with my two buddies, Josh and Alerto. What up? So it's about a 10-mile round trip, about 4,000 feet of elevation gain. It's the highest peak in Los Angeles County. So with this hike, you want to make sure that you come well prepared, plenty of water, layers of clothes because of the elevation change. The weather will change as you ascend, and some snacks so you can enjoy the view. So let's go do this hike. If you're not already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. This is the parking lot where you want to park.
I don't know.
That's your chance to use the bathroom, and this is where the trail starts, right through here. Buenos dias, amigo.
Buenos días.
Buenos dias.
Vámonos.
Vámonos.
Vamos a subir la montaña.
6:23, May 19th. We're doing Mt.Baldy. Let's get it.
Let's do it.
With the homies today. Woohoo! Just a short walk to our first waterfall. I think it's the only one. Only waterfall. It's the first crossing here. Left is Baldy Bowl. Right is to the notch. We're gonna go left. All right, just hit the 2-mile marker. This is a speed run for sure. Woo! So 55 minutes, 2 miles. Pretty good pace going up this hill. I've got the drone on my back, and it's adding a little bit of a challenge, but I can't wait to get some epic shots out there. It just rained a little bit yesterday, so we got some good clear skies, some nice fresh water. Whew. And maybe even some snow at the top. We're out the heart. Sun's peeking through. How you feeling, boys?
Woo. So far so good, but energized. You still look good?
Oh god, that's so terrifying. So what's the experience without the tracking?
Not so good.
It almost crashed the drone. There we go. That's how you catch a drone.
No, turn around, dude. All right,
We're doing well.
party on.
Yeah.
Getting closer to the top. About 900 more feet of climbing. We're doing good. Thank you. Good morning. Hey, how are you, buddy?
She's torn. She's like getting pets, or I have to keep up with Greg.
Oh. There's definitely a bit thinner up here. Got about 500 more feet to the summit. Making good time. A little bit of snow on the trail. It's a little slippery, not gonna lie. Woo!
64. 10,064. Wow.
See if your hands are frozen. Hands are frozen, man. Have to find the drone right here. But we took some pretty epic shots. Yeah, the shots were epic, dude. My hands are just all for your fans. We have to see shots right here. Make sure you like and subscribe to this one. Devil's Backbone. Gotta be real careful here. Definitely don't want to fall down. Yeah. If you're squeamish, look away. Hiking through the clouds. Yeah, I think the right one is not as steep. Yeah. This is not as steep, and this one just kind of goes straight down. Yeah.
You want steep or not steep?
Not so steep.
Not so steep.
Yeah. All right. So we made it to the notch, and where the ski lifts are, so if they are open you can cheat and head back down. So this is when you go hiking.
Oh, maybe they...
during a pandemic. Well, we did it.
We have the village for ourselves.
Alright, party! So when you get to this junction, you want to go this way. Just a heads up. It's pretty marked today, but I don't know if it's always like that. All right, we've been on this fire road for a bit, making our way down. We just hit about 10 miles. Feeling good, boys?
We can do it again.
Let's go again. Mission complete.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You stopped my Strava.
11 miles.
11 hours.
11 miles, 5 hours, and a good time.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Almost. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. Okay, you good?
Thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah. No worries. We should have some strength in us.
After the hike.
Powered by the mountain, you know?
Well, my legs are beat, and thank you guys for tuning in to today's episode. Make sure you like and subscribe. Rock on. Thanks for coming, guys.
Yeah.
See you next time.